Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to do my nails and my feet myself. But some of you might already have some of these things at home. And if you don't have some of these things at home, I'm going to show you how you can use some of these things to give yourself a pedicure and a manicure. I'm going to give myself a pedicure and a manicure. I might do it in two separate videos. I might combine it into one just to give you an idea of what I did. So I'm going to flip. I'll be right back and I'm going to show you some of the items that you would need to do your manicure and pedicure. So I'm back, you guys, and here's some things that I will need. They're pretty self-explanatory. If anybody's a foot person and goes get a pedicure, you'll know what some of these things are. I have my choice of nail polish. I have Epsom salt, my satin body collection that I will use on my feet, a nail clipper, nail polish remover, files, pumice stones, a towel, and then of course my foot bath, and I've filled it up to the top. This one I actually got either at a thrift store or something. So a lot of ladies, if you don't have this, you can always just use, guess what? A tub of water. You might have a tub lying around, like a little tub or a big bowl. You could put your feet in that. And just to soak them. So the purpose of this is to soak. So I'll be back to show you what I'm going to do next. Hey guys, I'm back. Here's the Epsom salt that I'm about to put in to the foot bath. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little in, like so, not much. Okay. I'm also going to put some of my Satin Hands body wash, shea wash, just a little bit to give it a little soap go action in there, just a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to start the bath. Woohoo! There we go. So I'm going to put my little feet in there, and I'll come back when my feet are softened up, and we'll take it from there. Okay guys, this might not have been the best idea to put bath into the bubbles, or don't agitate the water like I'm doing now. So I'll come back and show you what I'm doing. Okay, guys, we're back. JL is helping me take off the nail polish off my foot. We might actually have the wrong kind, but so once I've soaked my feet for a few minutes, we're gonna take the nail polish off. And my toes grow really long. The other thing I want to say, of course, I got to do my disclaimer. We are not cosmetologists, okay? So anything I'm using to show what works for me and what I've done in a pinch. Sometimes couldn't afford to go to the nail salon. So sometimes I have my backup materials at home just so I can do my nails myself at home. So do not look at my gnarly feet, but so once you soak your feet for a few minutes, go ahead and take them out of the bath and take the nail polish off. By this time, your feet should be kind of softened up and ready to, use the pumice stone and stuff on it. But just keep your feet, the other foot, in the water so it can soak some more. And I'm also going to put some cuticle oil after she takes this off. I got some cuticle oil.
No, put cuticle oil after.
Oh, JL says, she is in training to be a cosmetologist. So we're going to, she's taking the nail polish off my feet now. This is good training for her. Not that she wants to do my crusty feet, but anyway, this is helping me. And once she takes them off, I'm going to soak the other foot, and then we do the other foot. So all you ladies who love to go to the nail salon, this is definitely a little bit more intensive to do yourself. And so this is probably the hardest part right here, to soak and to clean your feet. So we'll be back soon, guys. So now JL is helping me with my foot by getting all the little crust using this tool. Show them the tool, Jay. It's a double-sided tool. You can get this in the beauty supply, okay? All of these things you can get from the beauty supply. So she's kind of getting all the, pushing my cuticles down, getting some of that extra gunk, I don't know what you want to call it, off my foot. And so then the next step is to nip it, right? Here's the nipper. Like I said, all this stuff I got from the beauty supply prior to quarantine. But now, now everything should be open, but you may not want to be around people. So she's nipping this. Now you can do this yourself. Normally, sometimes I do it myself. It just is not very camera worthy. If I do it myself, my leg is all crossed up on my leg and all that. So it's just easier to demonstrate and showing her. She's going to show how to do it. Okay, we'll be back for the next step. Next step is clipping my toenails because my toenails are super long. Yes, I'm going to clip my toenails using a clipper. And I'm going to clip all 5 of my toes. I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, both toes have been, the nails have been cut and so forth. So now I'm going to use the pumice stones and all that good stuff to get some of the dead skin off the bottom of my feet. So I'm going to show one foot in a minute. So this is what I'm going to do. I am going to use the scrub right here, and this pumice stone first, and then I'm going to follow up with that pumice stone next. And then if I need anything else, I'll go ahead and use this tool or this tool. Okay. All right. Okay, guys, I'm back. You can see how the water is cloudy. I just did one foot, and I have scrubbed, and you can see it is better on the front and the back. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other foot, and then we'll show you the next step. Okay, I'm back. I have cleaned and scrubbed both of my feet. What I'm going to do is just rinse them off. I'm going to dump this water, and I have used the pumice stones only to scrub my feet. I might come back with the other tools later, but I've managed to use the pumice stones, both the pumice stones and the scrub, to get all the stuff off my foot. And I'll come back to show you the rest and what I'm going to do when I rinse off my feet and put the lotion on my feet and so forth. Okay, I'll be back soon. Okay, so here are my feet all clean. I know they still look a little rough. I'm going to put the shea butter lotion on my legs now, and then I'm going to start painting them. First, I'm going to use these. I have put alcohol on the ball, this cotton ball, and just kind of going through. And whatever lotion I put on my foot, I'm trying to take it off my nail so that the nail polish would adhere to it. I'm going to do the other side. See, look at that. To clear my foot of any debris, because I have to go to the other room to rinse off my foot. The foot bath has been cleaned out, and now I'm ready to put nail polish on. So I'm going to start with my base coat. That's what I'm going to put on for my base coat. This is the color I'm going to put on. Got this from TJ Maxx. You can check that out in another video. This I got from Sally's. No, CVS. and this is a top coat. And then last, I'll apply the cuticle oil. Okay, so you'll see me start shortly when everything is finished. Okay, guys, this is not a perfect nail job, but this is my first coat. I'm going to put 2 to 3 coats of this color on, and then I'm going to follow up with a top coat. And you'll see the finished product at the end.